Welcome to my channel by Dr.G.R. In this video class, we see about a projection of plane problem in which the position of images have got changes comparable to previous video class. Out of 6 methods, here it is as per 4th method, and 5th method was discussed in the previous problem. Here, the plane is inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP. Since full procedure details have been already discussed in my concept and method video class number 22, here we see about the drawing method straight away. First, let me read the problem given here. A regular hexagonal plate 25 mm side is resting on horizontal plane on one of the edges with the surface of the plate making 45 degree with horizontal plane and perpendicular to vertical plane. Draw the projections. Here the completed drawing has been shown for reference. However, we see the method of drawing through the step-by-step procedure. For clear understanding of this video class, the previous E.G. video class 22 should also be seen earlier to this compulsorily and may be compared with this class for clarifications. Now, listening to the problem, it is given inclined to horizontal plane and perpendicular to vertical plane, and so final view shape cannot be drawn in the first step as it is. Here additional steps come figures required for horizontal plane and vertical plane. Hence, assuming first the plane is parallel to horizontal plane and draw the hexagonal for the top view. As per the step 1, draw a horizontal parallel line below XY suitable distance from XY line. Mark any point like B as shown. Draw a parallel line parallel to XY and mark a point B at any place. As per step 2, taking 60 degree angle in anti-clockwise direction to horizontal line at B, draw a 25 mm length line as shown, that is marking other point as C, that is BC. Similarly, taking 60 degree angle in clockwise direction to the horizontal line at B, draw a 25 mm length line making another point as A, that is BA. As per step 3, draw a 25 mm length line perpendicular at A, that is AF, and another 25 mm length line perpendicular at the point C, so that CD equal to 25 mm. As per step 4, draw a 25 mm arc from F and also from D, so that they intersect, and mark it as E. This meeting point at 25 mm distance is marked as E. Now join and get the two more polygon sides, that is FE and DE. Now the true shape on the horizontal plane is drawn and is referred as figure 1. As per step 5, draw projection lines as perpendicular lines from points F, E, D and B, so that they meet XY line at 3 points. Then, as per step 6, now join these 3 points in dark color with HB pencil. Since this is the required true front view on vertical plane, as it is marked as figure 2. Now mark the figure 1 points in figure 2 respectively as shown and as explained in the previous video class. The hidden points are to be marked with dash as shown in brackets. Step 7. The front view only can give true length and hence draw the final front view now. As given in the problem, draw a 45-degree line to XY as shown and mark the length along with the points as per figure 2. The same points are to be repeated here, but make a small difference by putting a suffix F1 dash, E1 dash, D1 dash, likewise A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash. So this is figure 3. This is the final front view. Then as per step 8, project the figure 3 points downward through perpendicular lines and then project figure 1 points on the right hand side through horizontal lines, parallel lines to XY as shown. As per step 9, mark all the meeting points. The outer points of the polygon will be received by meeting points as shown with the respective letters. That is related letter points by checking from these two figures, that is A to C, A1, C1, FE, F1, E1. D refers to D1. Likewise, A1, F1 dash, A1, F1. That is A and F should be in the same line. E and B should be in the same line. D and C should be in the same line. Likewise, the similarity of letters should be carefully checked off after putting the meeting points and joining. As per step 10, now name all the points with the letters making difference to indicate it is the final top view as shown, that is marked as figure 4. Now the final front view figure 3 and the final top view figure 4 are drawn as per the given conditions in the problem. Then as per step 11, dimensions and pencil grades are to be checked. Now ensure all the 4 views main sides are marked in dark with dark lettering and other supporting lines in thin line with 2H pencil. Colors and pen not permitted in the EG subject. Here it is done in color for easy visibility. Now this video class is over and do not forget to subscribe, and this is by Dr.G.R. Thank you.